This is my restoration project, a 300 Kawasaki Bayou two-wheel drive. I've been working on this for several hours for the last few weeks. And let's go over a few things I've done. Of course, you can see I've put new camo paint on it. I've got a new master cylinder, put a new battery, new front disc brakes, completely painted the frame, the engine with high temperature paint. Put all new screws in the side flaps, new bag on the back, new seat cover. Let's see, new air filter, new carburetor. Took the racks off, of course, and sanded and sandblasted and painted all them. The whole exhaust system's been sandblasted and painted with high temperature paint. Little bike runs really good for anybody that loves these old 300 Bayous, which they're extremely a lot of fun to ride. They're simple and steer really easy. They're a great little four-wheeler. I'm probably going to put this on the market to sell and see how that goes. So here we go. It runs really good, starts right up, got plenty of power. So there you go.